If you do not have the option to download the PowerPoint from Office 365, or you do not have a computer that will download this version, you can always use a screencast recorder like Screencast-O-Matic. So here I am, I'm recording my screen, and I'm going to go to my PowerPoint. In the PowerPoint, just to add another layer, you can click on Always Use Subtitles. This is under the Slideshow tab. So go to Always Use Subtitles and choose a subtitle language. I like to choose Spanish because I often get students from other countries that speak Spanish. And you are welcome to put your subtitles at the bottom, the top, below the slide, and above the slide. I'm going to choose below the slide for now. So as soon as I hit Present Live, it should translate my speech or what I'm saying on the slide for students. And here it is. Colors everywhere. What color do you see? I see red. What color do you see? I see blue. Okay, so you can see how this gives you another option for designing your book and producing your movie. All you have to do next is go back to your screen recorder, and there's a stop button in the top, and you will stop and it will allow you to produce this video. You can produce it to a YouTube, or you can save it as a file on your computer. So just follow the directions that they have in the device.